The ketogenic diet is all the rage these days, and for good reason. But what is it really? How does it work? It's a way of eating that's high in fat, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates. This unique combination changes how your body fuels itself. The goal is to switch your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat, which can have profound effects on your metabolism. This metabolic state is called ketosis, where your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It's like flipping a switch in your body, turning on a new energy source. When you drastically reduce your carb intake, your body starts producing ketones, which are used for energy. Ketones are like little energy packets made from fat, providing a steady source of fuel. Normally your body uses glucose derived from carbs for energy. This is the standard metabolic pathway. But on keto, it adapts to burning fat instead, which can lead to various health benefits. This dietary shift has some interesting effects on the body, including weight loss and increased energy. Many people experience weight loss, improved mental clarity, and more stable energy levels on a ketogenic diet. It's a lifestyle change that can be very rewarding. However, giving up bread can be a real struggle for many people. That's where keto bread comes in. It's a game changer for those who miss their favorite baked goods. It's a delicious, low-carb alternative that lets you enjoy your favorite sandwiches and snacks without kicking your body out of ketosis. Enjoy the best of both worlds. Let's be honest, traditional bread is a no-go on keto. It's loaded with carbohydrates that can spike your blood sugar and kick you out of ketosis. That's why we need a keto-friendly alternative. Keto bread is a special type of bread made with low-carb ingredients. It mimics the texture and flavor of regular bread, but without all the carbs. Pretty neat, right? The magic of keto bread lies in its ingredients. Instead of using wheat flour, which is high in carbohydrates, we use alternative flours like almond flour or coconut flour. These flours are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them perfect for a keto lifestyle. Before we begin baking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple. You can find most of these at your local grocery store, or even better, support local farmers markets. Almond flour. This will be our base flour, providing a nutty flavor and moist texture. Coconut flour, a little goes a long way. Coconut flour adds a subtle sweetness and helps with binding. Baking powder, essential for that perfect rise and airy texture. Salt, a pinch enhances the flavors. Eggs, these bind the ingredients together and add richness. Unsweetened almond milk, our liquid of choice, adding moisture without added sugars. Section 4. Baking your keto bread, step by step. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of keto baking. Now for the fun part, let's bake. This is where the magic happens. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures even baking. Grease a loaf pan to prevent sticking. You can use butter, oil, or even a non-stick spray. You don't want a sticky situation. Make sure every corner is covered. In a large bowl, whisk together 1.5 cups of almond flour. This is the base of our keto bread. Add a 1/4 cup of coconut flour. It adds a nice texture and flavor. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This helps the bread rise. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It enhances all the flavors. Make sure there are no lumps. A smooth mixture is key. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 large eggs until they're light and frothy. This adds volume. This adds air to the batter for a lighter texture. The fluffier the better. Next, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. This is where it all comes together. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the bread dense. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread it evenly. Make sure it's level. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Golden brown and delicious. The perfect keto bread. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy the aroma and the taste. Section 5. Benefits of keto bread and tips for beginners. Congratulations, you've baked your very own keto bread. This is a fantastic achievement and a great step towards a healthier lifestyle. But why go through all this effort? The benefits are worth it. Keto bread offers numerous advantages that make it a valuable addition to your diet. Keto bread is significantly lower in carbohydrates than regular bread, making it an excellent choice for those on a low-carb or ketogenic diet. This makes it easier to stay within your daily carb limit on keto and maintain ketosis, which is essential for burning fat efficiently. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats and fiber, keeping you satisfied and energized throughout the day. This can help curb cravings and keep you on track. Here are a few tips for beginners. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying out different ingredients can make your keto bread more enjoyable and tailored to your taste. Try adding different herbs, spices, or seeds to your bread for extra flavor and nutrition. This can make each loaf unique and exciting. Keto bread tends to be more delicate than regular bread. Handle it with care to avoid crumbling. Store it properly to prevent it from drying out. Be patient and give yourself time to master the process. Baking keto bread can be a bit of a learning curve. It might take a few tries to get it just right. Don't be discouraged if your first loaf isn't perfect. Every attempt is a step towards improvement. With practice, you'll become a keto baking pro. Your skills will improve and so will your bread. So there you have it. The journey to perfect keto bread is rewarding and delicious. Keto bread is a delicious and healthy way to enjoy your favorite foods while staying true to your keto lifestyle. Happy baking! Click on the link in the description below to order your copy with nearly 40 meticulously tested grain-free low-carb bread recipes.